In 2011, marine biologists made a discovery that baffled scientists and ignited imaginations around the world. On the seafloor, 12 miles off the coast of Corsica, over 1,300 eerily perfect circles were found. These formations, about 67 feet in diameter, weren't just odd, they were otherworldly. Today, we're diving deep into the mystery of these underwater circles to uncover what created them. It all began on a bright September day in 2011. Marine biologist Christine Purgent-Martini was aboard a research vessel mapping the Mediterranean seafloor. For weeks, her team had been scanning the depths with sonar, uncovering sand, rocks, and more sand. But then something extraordinary appeared on the monitor. A perfectly symmetrical circle, and then another and another. In total, they found dozens. Each circle had a central knob surrounded by what looked like a ring of debris. The team captured video footage, but murky waters made it impossible to determine exactly what they were looking at. The mystery had begun. When the findings were presented at a scientific meeting in 2013, theories flooded in. Were these craters from underwater volcanic activity, leftover bomb craters from World War II, or perhaps coral formations taking an unusual shape? None of these theories could fully explain the regularity and sheer number of these rings. The true answer would require years of investigation. Enter Laurent Ballester, a marine biologist and explorer known for his groundbreaking dives. In 2020, nearly a decade after the circle's discovery, Ballester and his team used advanced diving technology to revisit the mysterious site. Descending nearly 400 feet, the team saw the circles up close for the first time. What they found was astonishing. At the center of each circle was a knob of red coralline algae, standing about 3 feet tall. Surrounding this knob was a ring of broken calcium carbonate debris. It was clear these formations were alive. But how had they formed such perfect patterns, and why were they so numerous? To solve the mystery, the team turned to history. Carbon dating revealed that the algae at the center of these circles was about 21,000 years old, dating back to the last glacial maximum. At that time, the Mediterranean was colder and shallower, and the seafloor where the rings are now located would have been sunlit and teeming with life. Over thousands of years, algae colonies grew outward like domes. But as the Ice Age ended and sea levels rose, these colonies were submerged in darkness. Without sunlight, the domes collapsed, leaving behind the central knobs and debris scattered around them. So what about those perfect circles? The answer lies in gravity. As the algae fragments broke off, they rolled downhill from the central knob, settling in a circular pattern around it. The result? The eerie precision we see today. Today, these ancient formations face a modern threat: commercial ships dropping anchor. Anchors could easily destroy these delicate ecosystems, which are already rare and largely unexplored. Thankfully, marine conservationists are fighting to protect them. Using Ballester's findings, efforts are underway to extend protected zones around the rings and preserve this unique underwater world. The mystery of the Mediterranean's underwater circles may be solved, but their story is far from over. These formations are more than just a curiosity. They're a testament to the Earth's history and its incredible ability to adapt and transform. As scientists continue to explore, who knows what other secrets the seafloor might reveal? Until then, let's work to protect these extraordinary places for generations to come.